What's up, guys? That mower boy here. Got the doggo. Today we're going to be mounting the new motor, or not the new motor, but the Honda motor on the new red mower. So, but before that, Here's Savale's new song came out last night, so I've been listening to it. Here's this little box I custom made for these two little subwoofers, these little baby subwoofers. They do the job. I don't really care about the size. They're fine. But, yep. Here it is. I guess before we get started on that, I guess I gotta go clear a spot and put my new carpet down in the shed. But let's get to that. Alright, here it is. I can't find my phone stand and it's making me mad, but oh well. I'm gonna be putting this motor onto that, and then also I got some fuel lines in that bucket. I'm gonna make its fuel tank work again. So yeah. Also, here's my other stupid project that I have an idea for. That's a motor out of a wheelchair. Let's take you to the wheelchair. There's the other motor. Here it is. I don't know. I don't know, this thing's pretty sweet though. I'll throw in a little clip of my friend pushing me in it over the speed bump. We're in a wheelchair. Oh! So yeah, now time to take this motor off. And then, while it's off, I'm going to make a fuel line, or get the fuel line hooked up to it. So, yeah. Alrighty, just quickly got it off. Not mounted, just on there, but on. Oh, you stupid fuck. Alrighty. Got a fuel line. Now, yes, maybe I'll get some clamps on it, but oh well. It ain't going nowhere right now. Pop this cover off. See what's going on in here, because it was super sluggish. Just pulled out a bunch of dirt and grass and stuff like that, and tightened up this cable here, and now there's hardly any play. So I'm gonna go wash it real quick. I'll be right back. Alrighty, all washed up. Let's go put this thing back together. Since I don't have my phone stand, I'm gonna have to just cut to it being on there. I hate to do that, but oh well, gotta do it. Well, I guess this thing had more issues than I thought, but it's kind of stupid. This leaks like crazy, to the point I'm literally out of fuel. And then the belt, it's just keeps popping off the pulley. It's too small of a, or too big of a belt. I think the motor pulley on the last motor that was on this mower was a bit bigger, but oh well, I'll figure something out about that. But stuck on the carpet. Oh well. This is where it'll sit until figure out something to do. I don't know. But now time to scrap this thing, say goodbye to it, and then figure something out to do with that thing, and then maybe work on this a bit. But till then, he's that mower boy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment if you want. Big bummer, but oh well. Time to go rewash this and cut to an edit maybe. Okay, that makes me mad. Half that edit didn't even get recorded, so enjoy those 2 clips, I guess. There's my half-ass edit. Oh well. I don't know how well this video is gonna come out, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully next video I can get something fixed on it, or something about my race mower, or maybe a little secret project I might be having right now. But till then, it's that mower boy. I love you.